Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavatu. This is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulepu. See, evaluation of residues, how to attack the problems in residues. See, in theory part, go for Laurent series, you can see them expand then z minus a whole power 1 term, that is what minus 1, negative powers of z minus a first term, that is what if you the coefficient of z minus a whole power minus 1, that you can say residue. That is somewhat tough always. But doing the problem is totally different. Simple pole means how you will attack. A pole of order m means other than 1 means how you will. Suppose if simple pole, the residue at z is equal to a. This is simple pole case I am talking. This is how they will write limit z tends to a z minus a f of z residue at z is equal to a. Residue at z is equal to a, how they will define limit z tends to a z minus a into f of z. So this is very beautiful actually. In already f of z 1 z minus a is there. That fellow cancel, then you put z is equal to a, nice you will get. See, one problem I will do. Suppose if f of z is equal to z by z minus 1, z minus 2, z minus 2. Find residue at all poles. See, now given problem is what f of z is equal to z by z minus 1, z minus 2, z minus 3. So now what I will do, now I want to do the residues at poles. Now I want to find what are the poles, what are the types of the pole. How many poles are available? Now 3 fellows are there. See, how many fellows are there? 3 fellows are there. Z is equal to 1 is one pole, simple pole. Z is equal to 2 also, pole of order 1 is simple pole. Z is equal to 3 also, pole of order 1 are simple poles. So all are what? All are simple poles. Now residue at z is equal to 1. Residue at z is equal to 1 means how I will write limit z tends to 1, z minus 1, f of z. Oh, what is my f of z? Okay, this is limit z tends to 1, z by this I written I think so, z minus 1, z minus 2, z minus 3. Sorry, into z minus 1 I want to do. So how nicely, see, limit z tends to 1 means what is becoming infinite. That's why multiply means what, this fellow go off. If you apply z is equal to 1 means what you will get, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 is what, minus 2, that is 1 by 2 is residue at z is equal to 1. Now we can find residue at z is equal to 2, residue at z is equal to 2. Now it will become limit z tends to 2, z minus 2, f of z. Who is my f of z? Limit z tends to 2, z minus 2, z by z minus 1, z minus 2, z minus 3. Who will go? This fellow cut off. Now we can apply limit 2 by 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so minus 2. Residue at z is equal to 2 is what? Minus 2. Then what I want to find? Residue at z is equal to 3. Residue at z is equal to 3. So this how you will get limit z tends to 3, z z minus 3 f of z. So this how you let limit z tends to 3 z minus 3 z by z minus 1 z minus 2 z minus 3. This fellow go off. Then put z is equal to 3 means what you will get 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 3 by 2. Getting or not? Restitute z is equal to 3. See, suppose z minus 1, z minus 2, z plus 1 means what, z is equal to minus 1, that is okay. Sometimes maybe you have denominator like this. That time how will attack? See, I don't want to do full problem, just I will give the example. F of z is equal to z by 2z minus 1 z minus 3. Now here who is the pole? Z is equal to 1 by 2 is simple pole. Z is equal to 3 also simple pole. But while doing the residue, z is equal to 1 by 2, you will write. It's very important. Z is equal to 3, okay. Limit z minus 3, you will attack nicely. But this how you will write. Residue at z is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. It means what? Limit z tends to 1 by 2 z minus 1 by 2. Getting or not? Then z by 2z minus 1 z minus 3. So before cancelling, either you can take LCM here or you can bring out 2 from here. That will speaks lot. Otherwise your whole problem will spoil. Carefully you can do this. How I will do before attacking. I don't want to go very fast. Z minus 1 by 2 I will keep here, because this I don't want to do actually. So this what I will do, z, I will take 2 common, z minus 1 by 2 z minus 3. Now we can cancel. Some students they will cancel immediately like this, but when 2 will speaks here, the whole problem will spoil. It's very important. Think and attack the problem while doing the first time. Once if you get practice means what, you become master. It's very dangerous position. Now we can put z is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 3, then you will get residues. It's a LKC problem. Getting or not? So how to attack is important. Like it's 2z minus 1, 2z plus 1 means what, z is equal to minus 1. This is what, z is equal to minus 3. So limit z tends to minus 3 z plus 3. So carefully you can write. So then okay. Simple poles only we talk now. I want to tell you thank you watching like this. Okay. Then I will go for the pole of order means how we will do. This is very important. Z is equal to A is a pole of order. You don't worry, I am telling m plus 1, but convenient, I will explain, don't worry. Limit f of z is a pole of this residue. Residue at z is equal to a, how can you write? 1 by m factorial d power m dz power m, then z minus a whole power m. So pole of order m plus 1 means what you can do, m times you can differentiate. Correct or not? This m already down 1 z minus a whole power m you will get, obviously it's cancelled. Suppose if it is order 9 means what, z is equal to a, pole of order 9 means what, 8 times you can do, 1 time less. That's why I written m plus 1 I taken, so this is easy. Z tends to a, order 9 means what, how many times you do, 8 times, 8 factorial dz 8, but this is z minus a whole power 9 only. So don't confuse, one should be less. Order 10 means what? 9 times you can difference. Order 11 means what? 10 times. Order 20 means what? 19 times you can do. Order 100 means what? 99 times you can do. So this is the way. While doing the problem I will do. Otherwise one problem I will do. Okay. I am taking easy problem. While doing the problem I will do 1 by z minus 2 whole square z minus 1. So here is what? Z is equal to 1 is simple pole. Z is equal to 2 is what? Pole of order 2. Okay. Now I will follow first simple pole. The residue at z is equal to 1. Limit z tends to 1 z minus 1 f of z. So this is what? Limit z tends to 1 z minus 1. Who is my f of z? 1 by z minus 2 whole square z minus 1. Cancel. Z is equal to 1 is what? 1. 1 minus 2 whole square is minus 1 whole square is 1. Now story will start. I want to find out residue at z is equal to 2. Residue at z is equal to 2. Residue at z is equal to 2. 2 is what? Pole of order 2. Pole of order 2 means what? One time I have to differentiate. I divided by 1 by 1 factorial. Getting on it. So how I will write? Limit z tends to 2. Everything you can write 1 by 1 factorial. 1 also you can write better. You don't forget. Then d by dz one time. Then you can write z minus 2 whole square f of z. Who is my f of z? Limit z tends to 2. 1 by 1 factorial. Okay, I am omitting. Z minus 2 whole square 1 by z minus 2 whole square into z minus 1. This is 1 by z minus 1. 1 by z minus means what? 1 by x differentiation is what? Minus 1 by x whole square. So this how I will write minus z minus 1 whole square. Again z differentiation is 1. So limit function of function z tends to 2 minus 1 by z minus 1 whole square. So this is what? Minus 1 by minus 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is minus 1. So this is the way of doing. It's not a big issue. Whatever may problem we can attack. It's not a big deal. But thing is what? First time can learn peacefully. Try to understand and do slowly. Then from the second time nothing is there. All are LKG problems. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye. We meet in next video.